Hi everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at solving exponential equations and logarithms. So, logarithms, what are they? Well, in mathematics, every operation has an inverse, some way to undo that operation. And when we talked about exponential functions, when we had things like 5 to the x equals 12, not such an easy one to try to solve. So what we've done up until this point is we've used a lot of trial and error, guess and check, see if we can get something close. But that's kind of inefficient and it's inaccurate. So what happens is we have these things called logarithms. And a logarithm is based off of exponentials. So if I say that I've got a to the x equals b, we're going to make it general. A to the x equals b. Then the logarithm, rewriting it in logarithmic form, would be log base a of b equals x. So looking at where those pieces go, my base of my exponential is my base of my logarithm. The result of my exponential goes into my logarithmic function, and the exponent of my exponential is the result of my logarithm. So logarithms are used to find those exponentials. So if I take a couple of exponential equations and write them in logarithmic form, it would look like this. So here's our 5 to the x. Oops, I got to change my pen here. Here's my 5 to the x equals 12, like we saw on an earlier slide. So if I was to rewrite this in logarithmic form, it would be log base 5 of 12 equals x. So just changing the form. So now once we learn how to use logarithms, we'll be able to find that result. One more. 12 to the x equals 387. In logarithmic form would be log base 12 of 387 equals x. Now if we can take an exponential and write it in logarithmic form, we can do the reverse. We can take a logarithm and we can rewrite that in exponential form. 8 was our base to the x, our result, equals 7. Log base 5 of 25, oops, let's do a different one. Let's go log base 5 of x equals 3. We'll rewrite that in exponential form would be 5, our base, to the third power equals x. And now that we rewrite this one in exponential form, we can actually go ahead and solve this. 5 to the third power we know is 125, so x is 125.